Hi, this is Max from trainhorn.net. We're going to do a product review on our intro model, very budget-friendly Chrome Hawk electric kit. The Chrome Hawk kit is going to consist of two components, the air horn and the compressor valve. The compact size makes it very easy to fit on any application. The compressor and solenoid is easily wired to any 12-volt system. There are two terminals. One is marked positive, one is hooked negative. The positive will be your red wire and the black wire will be your ground. The simple installation consists of hooking the air hose up to the actual compressor. Very simple. Connecting the solenoid to the car is a very simple process. It's a two-wire installation. Your power wire is going to go to the positive sign. Your ground wire is going to go to the negative. Very simple install, very short time. Thank you for watching the product review on the Chrome Hawk electric kit. If you have any comments, please leave them below.